Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a folder on Gmail. So first of all, open Gmail app. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's start. Look at the left corner, tap onto three line, but not showing here to this option. So go back, open Chrome search option, type here to email, look at the right corner, tap on three dot, first enable to desktop side, click on, select Gmail, tap onto plus icon for label, and type here to your new folder name. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily create a folder on Gmail.